hope you're having a great day. You may notice I am in the same clothes as in a previous video. I had some extra time today, and so I thought I would start filming my new little series that I'm going to do, This or That. So I get asked all the time, I'm trying to say all and asked together, I get asked all the time to do comparison videos, and I usually don't do them. If you watch some of my videos talking about YouTube, it takes quite a bit to do videos, and I feel like I have to be, just have it all together, do full on what fits, and just like a long video. So I thought, you know what? This would be helpful because I have full reviews on all of these bags that I get asked about, just to show them together, side by side, on my frame, so you can get an idea, and then to answer the question. If I could only have one, would it be this or that? So today, starting this series, I am going to be doing my Hermes Evelyne in the PM size, or the size 29. And I'm going to be doing the Louis Vuitton, comparing it to the Louis Vuitton Odeon PM in the new model. So as you can see, huge size difference in these. Very huge size difference. Before we continue, my name is Melinda. If you're new to my channel, if you're returning, welcome back. I would love it if you just take a moment and hit that subscribe button down below for me, and that bell notification, because I am not really uploading on a consistent, regular, daily like I used to. Like, I used to be every Thursday. I used to have, all through the 4.5 years I've been on here consistent. I'm not consistent right now, so which is why I'm in the same outfit, because I was like, you know what, I'll just do this video. So let's get into the bags. You can see there is a very clear size difference. I am not going to be doing measurements because they're so inaccurate. I think it's better to get measurements off of the website directly. So technically, this is the back of the bag for the Hermes, and this is the front, and I have this in the gold. The leather is Clemence and the hardware is gold. There's not a lot of hardware on it, just right here on the straps, and it's a very simple design, and it has the white stitching, which I think is absolutely beautiful. So on the back of this one, you have one snap that closes the bag. Open that up. You have a very large, roomy pocket down in here. And then the inside of the bag, it's just that raw leather, and it's very, very generous and roomy. I do have my 7RP insert inside of here, and it does help for organization because it is just a big, giant black hole, as you can see. So this one is super soft. It's super squishy. Very, very comfortable. It molds to your body. You can see how pliable this leather is. The strap is very comfortable. I feel like it doesn't quite work on me, I don't think, as a shoulder bag, and I did buy it to wear it as a crossbody bag. So the Odeon is of course in the monogram canvas. It does have the black leather trim. It comes with the little luggage tag. You do have a magnetic pocket here, and it is lined in black fabric on the front, and then on the back it has the monogram that goes all the way down. The four corners have the black leather trim, and the strap has a gold buckle, and it is adjustable. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes where you can adjust it. And the only thing I don't like on this strap, this piece is sewn there. So I have it on the longest setting here, and I can't pull that up to keep that little tab down, but it doesn't really stick out. Something else I want to point out about this strap is it is extremely comfortable. I had the, let me think of this Speedy B30 in the World Tour, and it came with a black strap. That strap was the exact same as the Damier Ebene. Very stiff, kind of dig into your shoulder. This one is super pliable, and it's just very, very comfortable. I was quite worried about that one, the strap, if it would be comfortable or not. So at the top you have 2 zippers, which is not a big deal. Some people think that that's going to be difficult to get in and out of. It's not. They're really smooth. You could just zip one and leave them both on the side if that bothers you. So unzip this, and inside of this one I do have an organizer as well, because this is just a giant black hole again, and it actually is a black hole. So I have a, I think the color of this is custard. I will link it down below, but this is from Simone, and I just put that in there. It doesn't take away space. Sometimes organizers can. The very back here you have one slit compartment, and that is it for the organization. So I am going to turn the camera around and just show a couple of things. I'm not going to show fully what fits because I have videos on both of these, and I will link those down below. And I am just going to show them quickly on me so you can see the difference, and then I'll tell you the answer to this or that. Okay, so here they are on me crossbody, and this one I could make a little bit longer, the Evelyne. This is on the longest setting, and I am 5'6". This is my natural waist right here, and you can't see my hips. Hips are right here. You can see that? So I think that they're both a really good length for me. And this one, well, they both are adjustable, so if you're more petite, get an idea that you could also wear those crossbody. Okay, so I did take the strap off just so it's a little bit easier to maneuver it. And I just brought every single thing that I'm currently carrying in my handbag. I did not grab anything special. Again, I do have videos showing different things that fit. So I'm not going to do it with the organizer because you may not have one, you may not want one. So I'm going to put in my mini pochette. I am currently using a Chanel, I guess it's called a coin purse, it's a card holder to me. And I have a Louis Vuitton clay. I have a Longchamp coin purse. I have a Longchamp, this is a cosmetic pouch, but I have my clear reading glasses in there. Well, not reading glasses, distance glasses. I have my sunglasses, put those there. I have my tissue and my gum. Put those down in there, and let me grab my phone. It is the 12 Pro. Put that down in there, and I think I just rearranged it a little bit. There we go. And that's a little bit stuffed, but it works. You could definitely do that. So now let's do it with the Evelyne. Okay, so now with the Evelyne, I am going to put my phone in the technical front pocket, and then the mini pochette, and then my Chanel wallet, card holder, whatever you'd like to call that, my Longchamp coin purse, my Louis Vuitton clay, my gum and tissues, and then both pairs of my glasses. And of course, the Evelyne, you could definitely fill it up and keep going. This is typically what I carry on an average day. This is about as heavy as I go, but there it is. Okay, so now to the question that I get asked all the time. If you could only have one of these, which one would you choose? Now, a lot of these comparisons that I have planned to do for you, I have a very clear-cut answer which one I would choose. However, in this case, I choose both. They are very, very different, as you can see. This one is carefree. I bought this specifically because I did not have a rainy day bag left in my collection. We get a lot of rain here. It has been on and off today. The sun is shining right now, but it has been raining for a couple of days, and it's just nice to have something you don't have to worry about. This one is just more roomy if I want to put in a scarf or, you know, add something on the top in the fall and the winter. It holds a lot more than this one will. So I feel like they are just different enough that I would definitely choose both again. And I had this one first. Turn it around where it's pretty. I had this one first before I got this one, so clearly I wanted both of them. But if you're trying to decide between the two of them, I've had people tell me that this is okay in the rain, that they've gotten caught in the rain and they've just wiped it off. And then I've read things online that this leather can bubble in the rain, the Clemence leather. I haven't been caught in the rain with it yet, so I can't tell you about that. If I know it's going to pour and it's going to be really bad weather, I will tend to grab for a Carefree bag. If there's a chance of rain, I will risk it. I'm not, you know, that uptight about it, but, you know, just to let you know, leather, canvas, little bit of leather, both beautiful, and both are very, very comfortable and very user-friendly, I think. So I will see you the next time we do this or that. Take care. Bye-bye.